we are sitting on a time of demand explosion as far as the Indian IT services sector is concerned. Would you continue to take that conversation forward?
See, I think the first and foremost change that we're driving within our organization is the mindset change. We're all very used to a certain mindset of delivering certain value to clients, but that paradigm is changing, right? You could deliver the same value maybe with half the people, then you really have to force yourself to think, whatever human potential that is unlocked, how can you use that to create more growth opportunities? Really, that is the mindset shift that we need to make. Obviously, all of us have growing businesses. We have people with a lot of aspiration. So how do you really take care of people's aspiration while being very proactive about adopting these technologies and bringing highest level of productivity? The productivity that is unlocked, how can that be used to create more value? A large part of the industry is really driven by a very input-based model. It's either time and material, or it's always a number of people delivering certain outcomes. But I think we need to dramatically change from input-based to more output and outcome-based. A lot of services that we deliver, operational services, from people-based, it needs to become platform-based. So we've always heard of software as a service, but service as a software is definitely taking place quite dramatically. And we all need to be more proactive in adopting. We should not be complacent about whatever growth that we are seeing in the business should not make us complacent. Having said that, I remain quite optimistic of how we can reinvent. As long as you recognize the change is not the same as what we've seen maybe 2 decades, 3 decades ago, I think we are setting ourselves on a good fundamental base.
In fact, I fully agree with what CVK is saying. I think the view that we see is there's a huge shift in technology. Whether you look at generative AI or you look at quantum, or there are several other technologies in motion today which will impact where the world goes. What I mean by a view of the future that we are seeing is when there's huge technology change, we within Infosys, I think we broadly within the Indian IT sector are ready to face that challenge. And it's actually exciting because you look at some of the new work that's going on, whether it's from startups through large businesses, it's all coming from India.